Hi everybody, I'm Mr. P, and in this series that I call Distance Learning Series, I'm going to show students how to work with PDF files, and I'm going to show teachers how to work with PDFs to share with your students. The problem is not a lot of students, or not all students, have printers at home. Normally, if you get a PDF, you would go to your printer, print out the document, work with it, scan it, and then send it back to where it needs to go. I don't have a printer in my house, so my children wouldn't be able to do that. So what I would do is have them work directly with the PDF. So let me show you how this works. So Mystery Science is a great hands-on science activity for students at home during distance learning. But if you notice down here, you're going to need a PDF that the kids are going to have to work with. So this printout, I'm not going to be able to print out, but I can download it. Now, when you go to download it, you're going to have two choices. You can either print it as or download it as a PDF, or you can download it as a Google Drive. What it'll happen is it'll turn into a slide that you can then manipulate. And it's actually pretty good. There's a couple clunky things that I'm not crazy about that I'll show you. Because when you open up your Google slide, okay, so there it is. There's the PDF, and now I can manipulate it. Problem is when I go to type, it's fine because I can just add a text box. Just click right here in text box. You're going to make your box, and then you're going to be able to type inside. So if that's all you had to do, it would be simple. You can save it. If you want to change the colors and make it personalized so it looks a little different, so it stands out a little bit more, you can do that. Bold it, change the size, however you want to do that. Problem becomes when you go to work in science, sometimes you have to draw models of what you're learning. So I was trying to figure out what would be an easy way to do that, and I figured out there was this little scribble here. And if I click on scribble and I want to make a little circle, it sort of cleans it up a little bit, makes the lines a little bit cleaner. You can make the lines a little thicker. If you want to do that, you can change the color of the lines too. Then if you wanted to label it, just add another text box and label it. And you can do those same kind of things. So you're good to go. So that would work fine. Problem arose, you had to label the drawing with other things. So when I wanted to like show that there was stuff coming off of this penny, I tried to make it again, and I would have to go back here, click on it again, and then do the same thing. So I just had to keep remembering to turn on that scribble. Otherwise, once it's made, it defaults to this. So you can change the size, you can change, all those kind of formatting stuff. So that's one way to do it. The other way to do it is I like this way. It's called Lumen PDF. So when you go to download, you go here, and this one just gives you a little bit more freehand. And if I wanted to draw around, I can just draw. Now, once I'm done with everything, I'm going to save it. Now, if I'm here, it's going to automatically save. All I have to do is send it over to um, my Google Drive file that's opened. Otherwise, if I'm here, I'm just going to download it again. It's going to become another PDF. Open it, and I'm going to take my PDF that's been answered, add it back into my Google Drive, and now you can see that when I click on it, it'll have the answers in there as well. And if I wanted to type, I could always open it again and add some more stuff to it. So once you have that done, you can submit it to wherever it needs to go. All right, good luck. Talk to you soon and have fun learning.